Hi guys, this is your Punjabi Chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am the one who's going to prepare a delicious Punjabi street style chicken leg which is Pind Da Murgh. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, first we'll marinate the chicken. For that we need to put gashes in them. Now that we are done putting gashes in the chicken leg, we'll start marinating it. For that, first I'm going to put curd, ginger garlic paste, chopped green chili, kasuri methi, and to enhance the flavor, I'm going to add some ghee, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and last salt. Now let's mix it together nicely. In the end, let's add fresh coriander and mix it nicely. The chicken is nicely marinated. I'm going to set it aside for at least 30 minutes. By that time, we'll make the masala for the gravy. For the masala, I'm going to take a jar. In that, I'm going to add 2 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, coriander seeds, black peppercorn, few pieces of cloves, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and last mustard seeds. Guys, our masala is ready. Let's start pan grilling our marinated chicken. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. To that, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to put the chicken which we marinated earlier and cook it till it's 50% cooked. By the time our chicken gets ready, let's start making the gravy. For that, we'll take a pan, add ghee to it. And once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add in 2 bay leaf. With that, 2 whole green chilies. And with this, I'm going to add chopped onion. And we are going to saute the onion till they get nice golden brown in color. As the onion starts to get translucent in color, I'm going to add the masala which we made earlier. Mix it and let it cook nicely with the onion. And to avoid the masala getting burnt, I'm going to add little drops of water. The onion and the masala is done. Let's add the tomatoes. Now let's cook the tomato till they get soft and mushy. The tomato is soft and mushy now, and the chicken is also 50% cooked. Now we'll add the chicken into the pan. Now let's mix the chicken nicely with the masala. And once mixed, I'm going to add in some black pepper and salt. Now I'm going to add little water to it and give it a one nice stir and cover it cooking for at least 8 minutes. There you go guys, our Pind Da Murgh is ready. You can enjoy this with rice as well as fulkas. You also do try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.